let's go for some shopping. I really like a new dress and shoes. Let's go. Oh, there's a popcorn shop there and it only costs £1. Wow, how amazing. Can I please have sweet and salty popcorn? Yes, sir. Thank you. Let me get my money. Bye-bye. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you. You too. Bye. I really want popcorn. What time is it? Huh? The popcorn shop is about to close. Let's go quick. Hey, can I please get sweet and salty popcorn, bro? Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Have a good time. Bro, yummy and fresh. Thank you very much. You have a nice day too. I'm ready for my childhood peel-off. This is gonna take forever and ever. Cause I'm one big granny. Of course, then grandchildren would not get some. Hello, dear. May I please get some snacks? Okay, so Granny. Here we go. My penis is so fast and good, you would like it. Baba. Can't wait. Some naughty grandchildren would not get this. This is a reward if they're good. I'm so excited to eat my peanuts. Oh no, the naughty grandchildren. Yikes, they're out of their bed. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye.
Junior by Deco. Like, share and subscribe us. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification.